this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Explorer Platinum. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Ultimate Package and the Lux Leather Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, we got rear park sensing with that backup camera with a little roof spoiler, we got roof rails as well, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, this vehicle does come with a remote start, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, or, if I can find it, the button right there will easily just go up for you, allowing you to have plenty of cargo space, even with your third row up. You got little cargo cubbies on each side, as well as there. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Got a little handle for your thing, and you can collapse your last row from just right there. You do get a 12 volt, and you can see it does go down automatically. You do get quite a bit of storage on the sides with 2 USB-Cs, more storage and hooks on the other, and we're just gonna bring that back up, which is all pretty handy. And to close this, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice perforated gray leathering, plenty of door space. You got the quilted leathering on the door, as well as the quilted leathering here because of the Lux Leather Package. To get to the back, all you have to do, hit that up, and it will go up for you. And you do get quite a bit of leg room for the back passengers as well. And looking over here, you do get your rear climate controls. You got captain's chairs that are heated, 12 volt. Oh, not 12 volt, 110 and 2 USB-Cs, and you can get more cup holders right here with a nice carpeted interior. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered driver seats with the nice massaging seats as well. Same leathering we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional platinum logo with the quilted leathering on the front seats as well. Quilting on the door, B&O sound system, powered door mirrors, memory seating for 3 drivers with plenty of door room. Liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side, and you do get the nice leathering across the dash with the speaker as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that our odometer is sitting at 5.9. And looking here, we do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We do get BlueCruise with this vehicle as well, which is Ford self-driving. We have My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and you can change your digital speedometer. To my right, we have tons of storage, cup holders, storage here, more storage there, and you get a little ambient lighting so you can see what you're doing, 12 volt, and some outlets. It does close. Gear select, parking brake, and drive modes, which do include slippery, off-road, normal, eco, sport, and tow and haul. Continue your look here, we got that nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage, wireless charging pad, more storage here, volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards. Clicking here, you do get a 360 view of your vehicle, traction, and auto hold. Looking here, we have our nice big touchscreen. Above me, we do have features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. This infotainment system is powered by Google, which is pretty nice. You can have personal profiles, add a phone, and audio. You do get notifications, but it's just going to tell me to connect my device. Don't have one. And your phone, you can change the ambient lighting to those fun colors. Then you can adjust the brightness of them as well. We're just going to stick with the standard blue. Hill descent seats, because you do get massaging seats for the front 2 passengers, which is pretty nice for those long car rides. Valet, vehicle status, and you can move your vehicle along right here as well, and you can open your lift gate. Here we get all our Google apps and apps in general, Maps, Play Store, Google Assist, SiriusXM, Bluetooth, towing, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and you do get YouTube as well, and games if you're waiting for someone. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB39969, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.